So normally research blame everything on free radicals these days, because we have too much of the free radicals. That's why we have a neurological condition. That's why we have Alzheimer. But basically, all of this degenerative condition, of course, we have free radicals. Why? Where we have too many free radicals? When it's too much of the toxicity. When it's have too much toxicity, toxins are not going to be burned in, and all of these toxins is going to create dysfunction and poor oxygenation. So normally, all free radicals is going to be connected to the enzymes, but the toxins will be connected to the enzymes first. So the free radicals are free. Instead of be connected with the enzymes and with the toxins, because they're burning toxins, they are free, so they are going to be aggressive. Usually they are very aggressive because they have to fulfill their destiny. But it's not the cause of the problem. So all of these patients having deficiency of the nutritional deficiency, high levels of homocysteine, also the vaccination is the problem, because all of them, after 5 only vaccination of the flu, you're going to have a risk is increased tremendously. You are also going to have a problem when there's too high cholesterol. And all of the studies show that American diet high in fat, 240% increase. American diet high in meat, 300% increase of Alzheimer. Only high fish consumption, 60% decrease. So the diet is very important, because we, especially older people over 50, 60, 70, the people who are going through some process cannot utilize all of this animal protein unless you are just pumping iron, 10 hours a day, or you are working in the field or in the mine. That's a completely, or athlete. That's a completely different story. Yes. So you see, all of us have some heavy metals, all us have some probably hormonal stuff from the water and everything. We are living in this kind of world. The problem we have right now is heavy metals like aluminum and fluoride, because the extensive brain loss in the hippocampus. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so all of this, the toxins we are using, processed food, artificial sweeteners like aspartame. You have all the best is, of course, like Mediterranean diet. Also blueberry extract, all general blueberry show that it's a prevention of the Alzheimer. There was lots of study using antioxidants which show some benefits. But basically it's all of the toxins, because the brain toxicity is, we can call Alzheimer. The too much toxins in the brain, and the most important is detoxification. With the mind regeneration, always you have to do balance of the energy, restore the proper vortex, erasing all programs. So in the Ho'oponopono, any way to eliminate your or let go or forgive. And you have to climb on the scale of the consciousness, and always open your mind to have an intellectual inspiration. Whatever you do, you are the human being. Is that you are not worker, you're not born worker, and just work. You are a human being. You have to have some inspiration on the intellectual level, just stimulation. Try to do whatever the hobby is, whatever you like to do in your life, because it's extremely important. So you know about ACMOS method. All of you had the ACMOS, I guess, or most of you. Biosyntony, remember, it's a special way to restore the vortex, natural vortex of our body. And Ho'oponopono we discussed today. So it's extremely important. There's some additional form of the therapy in order to restore the proper function of this membrane of the cellular membrane in the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system is lipid exchange. That's using phospholipids. And also RNA therapy, which is regeneration therapy. All of the preparation of the regeneration and VIT organs, which we discussed in the past. So this is part of the fantastic regeneration of central nervous system. Let's say your patient was really showed that even with the brain damage, she will do quite well with this preparation.